Good morning, everyone, and welcome to today's show. Have you ever wondered why current laws are made and how government definitely impact our daily life, or who really shape a public policy? So tonight we unpack these questions with expert and special guests who bring different perspective to the table tonight. Oops. Okay, I mean this morning. Sorry, and we have something really. We'll talk about the big polish. With him. Oh, now we have with her. So let's go. So what is public pollution? Public pollution is a system of laws, regulation, government action, decision, and program development and implemented by public authorities to address social economy, politics, and environmental issues, improve the welfare of society, regulated the behavior of individuals and organisms, and achieve spe- specific goals that are considered important for the public because important for the public interest. Okay, sorry. Public policy refer to series to several strategies, regulation, and action formulated and carried out by government or a public institution in order to solve public problems. You know, manage manage national and local affairs, protect citizen rights, promote social justice and economic stability, and ensure the overall well-being and development of society through organizing and legally support decision-making progress. That is public pollution. Okay. So next, we gotta talk about okay, still for public but gonna ask someone and share what the sorry see sorry let's see what that hi so here the guess okay so we begin questions. First questions, why is public policy important? So public policy is important because it helps regulate society, protect citizen rights, and promote public orders. Always. So this is about protect the citizen if they right, they're not right. Always protect. So the second one, who who is head of public pollution? So public pollution is usually get by government officials, legislator, and public institute. Okay. Then next question. Three. What is the method of public policy process? The message are pro against setting policy in formulation, policy, policy adoption, implementation, and evaluation. That's right. So, next question. What is policy implementation? Implementation. Policy implementation is the process of putting a policy into action through programs, regulation, and government activity. And six, Okay, so this is sensor. Okay, that's five questions. Okay, looking them. Is the difference between public policy and private policy? So this is good questions. Yeah. The answer is yeah. Public policy is made by the government of our society, while private policy is carried by us organization and company for its purpose. You know, you know what the difference is? Next, what what are explain for public question? So, explain explain include education policy, healthcare policy, medical policy, infant policy, and in transportation policy. So next question. How does public policy affect citizens? Public affects citizens by influencing healthcare, healthcare, employment, security, and daily life. The next question is, what is environmental participation and fear? Environmental public policy refers to government action aimed to protecting the environment and making safer to rural efforts. Next question is, why is police evaluation necessary? So, police evaluation is necessary to determine whether a police is effective and executive is good. Next question. What is the role of citizen in public policy? Citizen can participate by voting, giving opinion, joining public discussion, and monitoring government action. Like giving others and app, website, like that. There's always ada exhibition. What channels can go into the pollution? Information channels may include way of training, serial of the considering a limit. So this is the last question. I'm gonna talk about it. So this question is, what make a good police? The good police is a fair, critical, and beneficial for the public. Is always a public first. That's right. So let's into the talk show. See you. Thank you for joining us today. Let's continue to stay information and generate active in the shop, shopping for better public place for our colleagues. Bye.